What's the meaning of crass? Crass. Crass.
Crass. Crass. The word crass refers to behavior that is lacking sensitivity, refinement, or intelligence. Crass behavior is often marked by a lack of consideration for others, an absence of tact or good manners, and an insensitivity to social norms. Crass people may be seen as rude or boorish, and their behavior may be offensive to those around them. In short, the term crass suggests a person who lacks grace, sophistication, or any sense of subtlety, and whose behavior is often considered inappropriate or offensive.